Hello everyone, this is Amy. Realizing you left your bag or phone behind in general can cause an immediate wave of panic, but in South Korea, a couple of clear phrases will get you sorted out in no time. It's not about navigating a cold bureaucratic maze or dealing with rigid restrictions. It's simply a helpful everyday way to connect with customer service teams who are incredibly eager to help you find your missing property. If you leave something on a train, bus, or at a cafe, the first step is to head straight to the neighborhood lost and found center. Let's practice the local name for a lost property center together. Listen closely. Bunsilmul Senteo. Repeat after me. Bunsilmul Senteo. Once you step up to the desk to interface with the agent, you can let the attendant know exactly what happened with a simple phrase. Let's practice the polite phrase for stating you have lost an item, which means I lost it. Listen closely. 잃어버렸어요. Repeat after me. 잃어버렸어요. Using these quick native phrasings is an easy, confident tool that keeps your city exploration smooth and completely street-ready. Subscribe to Bisset Study Abroad to unlock the next social code. Stay smart, talk happy, see ya!